Yeah.
Here we go.
Hey, another rooftop crew video. Second one. Bike check.
This really hurts my neck.
My Sabrosa Arum.
Oh.
It's all blue, as you can see. We have this flashlight because it's kind of dark in here. And all stock. Nothing new except tubes, because I'm really fond of tubes. It was $450. 25 pounds. It works fine. Crank gets loose every now and again, but yeah, it's a nice bike all around. Got pegs. Yeah, 'cause I'm filming cool in here. Okay, bike's done with this bike.
Rooftop video or bike. Yep. Basic red line. Odyssey dirt path tires, or what is it, Isaac?
Those are Odyssey.
I don't know, just tires. Pink IODI grips. 2 dance comp stickers. About it.
Nope, that's just path.
Odyssey path tires. And this is Concussion's bike. Same exact bike as mine, but black. And he has a purple chain. And Mongoose handle grips. And to Smashmouth's bike. Like I said, green camo kinda colored. Red grips.
I know that already.
Nothing much different than regular bike. Old, I guess. Yeah. Well, that's the Rooftop Cruise bikes. And now you get to see Jed and Isaac's bike. Jed, Jed, stop, stop.
Punch me in my belly.
Oh.
I'm so sorry.
Jed, no, Jed. No, you're fine. I barely punched you.
You fucking chipped it.
No, I didn't.
Come on,
I barely punched him.
put my
It's Rooftop Crew. What do you expect, dude?